My best friend asks me what it is that I would take to my grave. Life itself. It's awful, isn't it? How the world turns so slowly, how the sun is just a star, how we are all Icarus. Too close to the sun, too close to the stars, too in awe of the wonders of the sky, and yet, at any moment, to become one. It's all written in our stars. We live like we die in a moment. The stars blink to remind us of that. Yet we are too much, too little, too light, and therein too much heavy for our own existence, too frail, too fragile to find out what we are built not for. How we are all waxen winged, too singed in the brightness of our own light. Phoenix, you are far too ashen to be a flame. What have we left but minds? Tethered yet severed, a feather that withers at the slightest touch, yet seeks the touch that weathers it. Life is far too short for you, for someone like you, for me, for anyone. For you could be here or there or anywhere dancing with the moonlight, but you chose me. Right here, right now, amidst everything, amidst everywhere, in the dead center of all the possibilities. Right here, right now, right next to me, what defines us is not how we tick and how we go on ticking till time finally runs out. It isn't why we were made, but what we are made of. But what we are made for, or rather, who. When are we to live? No, how. That's what defines us. It isn't what is not, rather, what is and hopes for what will be. What was or would will pass in a moment, but what will be will always be more than right now, more than what has been or today or tomorrow or the earliest that the future can be. That's what I know. I don't know too much, but I know what right now looks like. It looks like you dancing. The moonshine rests its head on your shoulders, and I'm the lucky one because I have you. Because right now trips and stumbles upon what we have. Right now will never have already been, yet it knows somehow, somewhere, it lives only in the moment, not for what will be, and in knowing that, it will never have believed, never have sought tomorrow, never have lived the rest of its life in this moment, never have known what it is to create possibilities, never have what it takes to live. One of the ironies of life is that when you know it, it's far too late. My mind only knows so much, but it knows what it is to be worried over when the tide turns into a tornado, over what it is that threatens life next. I am a primitive man. Sometimes I play too close to the fire, burn my fingers to test my faith. Whatever I do, I fail my fate. I've faced the fire of all I've done, the good, the bad, and I've still lost more than I've won. Fate is a cruel ride. Feel your fire, for the rest of your days are the last to ever come. Love, I know what I want to do, though I haven't had a chance to live yet. I haven't started to love yet. I haven't learned to laugh with the fire beneath my feet yet. Love, love, love is all I can do for you. Love is all I can live for the rest of my days. What is left in the world without it? What is it that you would rather have? What is it that you would rather do, rather be, rather say? Anything but nothing at all. Anything but not ever again say nothing. So easy to plead with uncertain fate. But what is to pass will pass. What is fated with certainty is this moment and every one thereafter. That's what I would like to take with me to the next moment, to the certain faith in burning my fingers trying to catch every sunrise from here on out. So what if I cannot? But what if I dare?